Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin now, plug in the computer, connect to power, and turn it on. Once the system boots, make sure you join the correct Wi-Fi network and enter the password. Next, create or sign into a user account so settings and files save to your profile. While you're logged in, enable automatic updates and set a strong password. This prevents many future problems. After that initial sweep, open the system settings and adjust display brightness, time zone, and privacy basics before proceeding. Now you build the core environment. Install a modern browser, reliable antivirus, and your preferred office tools so you can work immediately. Once installed, create a clear folder structure, documents, media, projects, and enable Cloud Sync to keep files safe. Connect and pair peripherals, calibrate the display, and set default printers. Make sure backups run on a regular schedule and test restore. As you do this, customize keyboard shortcuts and power settings to speed up daily tasks, because efficiency reduces repetitive friction. Finish by locking down security. Enable the firewall, turn on disk encryption, and set up two-factor authentication for key accounts. Once done, run a performance sweep. Clean up disk space, disable unnecessary startup apps, and monitor CPU and memory usage to catch issues early. If something breaks, try this order. Reboot, verify cables and connections, boot into safe mode to isolate software, and then update drivers or perform a system restore.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.